Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm here with my Bugs 2W. If you guys haven't seen the video, I did a FPV mod with this thing. As you can see, I got the FPV camera mounted on the inside of this thing. And I also have my 5.8 gigahertz antenna right here with a transmitter on the inside. Alright, and I also have a power switch right here. Alright, so this is going to be the first flight test of this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on my goggles here. Alright, and when I hit the switch, goggles, yep, should come on. It's on. Alright, so let me hit record on these goggles here. So we're good. And I'm also going to record the flight of the onboard camera. So let me hit record now. Show you guys that it can work both ways. Alright, so where am I? Alright, camera's recording. This is it, guys. Let's do it. I'm going to be flying line of sight for a little bit and just turn the... Alright. Okay. A little windy, but the Bugs is steady, man. Pretty steady. Yeah. It's recording FPV and the onboard camera. Alright, let's go for a little flight. Where am I? Just 9 meters up, 12 meters. We'll go to about, I don't know. Let's go 40 meters up, 42. It seems good enough for me. I mean, it is only an FPV camera, so I'm gonna go a little lower. Alright. Let's fly around for a bit. Yeah, this Bugs is pretty fast, man. Try not to go in the sun too much, guys. Only 100 meters out now. 130. Take a little left here. 190, 200 meters out. Make a left. 230 meters out. 240. Alright. Probably looks like I'm over the little shopping center there. Make a right. 260 meters out. Should be coming back. Coming back in my direction. Yeah, I don't normally long range test flight in my neighborhood here, but everywhere else was kind of full. I'm 130 meters out now. I can see it, it's right there. Nice. Alright, turn this way. How tall? I'm just 35 meters up. I'm using the AKK A5 CMOS camera and the VTX03 transmitter. So, not necessarily a long range transmitter, you know. When you start putting one of those things, you're compromising flight time, battery power, all that kind of stuff. So if I can get a good 400 meters out of this thing and have a good feed, FPV feed, I'm good. Maybe we'll go a bit lower here. I'm just 18 meters up. Let me fly around this football field. See that Bugs, man? Yeah, I took this whole thing apart, put it back together. Super smooth, man. I don't trust football posts. So I crashed my first Phantom, guys. Yeah. Wrecked the gimbal. Sometimes it's hard to tell if you're going through the post or you're just, you know, going by it. Hard to tell from a distance. Alright. Okay. Love this quad, man. Look at that. Took it apart. Still sounds smooth. Look at that bad boy. Alright. Okay. Land this thing. Alright. Stop the video on this. I got a long press. Alright. Stop the video on that. And stop the video on my goggles. There we go. So we'll see. Next time I'll do actual FPV flight. I just want to see how good the signal is. Well, guys, that's the Bugs 2W first flight test with that FPV camera I installed right there, and the transmitter and antenna. Alright, guys, check out the switch mod. Still all good. Alright, guys, see you guys on the next one.